What's up, everybody? It is now 11:25 p.m. or a.m. Sorry, on February 1st. It's a relatively nice day out. It's 63 currently, so hopefully it will stay nice. I don't know. It's supposed to be windy and rainy, but we'll see what happens. I had a GrubHub shift from 9 to 10 this morning. Didn't get a single offer, so I just kind of sat at home and hung out. I turned on PostMates and UberEats a little while ago to start the lunch shift. And I've had this offer come up. This is the third time for 7-Eleven. I rejected it twice because I didn't really want the offer, but I haven't been getting anything, and I'm thinking maybe it's just because of where I'm currently located. So I'm just going to start my day with this offer and see what happens. Okay, so I just dropped off that food. I actually delivered to this customer before. It's an apartment building, and their instructions are to leave the food outside on their front step. They don't want to deal with whoever the driver is. Whatever, that's fine. The pay kind of sucked, as I thought it would be. It was only a $3.56 order. But it's now 5 of 12, so I'm expecting it to get a little busier for lunch. So hopefully I'll have some orders soon. I do have UberEats and PostMates on right now. So while I was waiting for an order, I was leaving that plaza from the apartments. I'm sitting at a light, and then I got an offer with UberEats. So it's literally, I started driving, I'm at another light here. It's going to be a few minutes because it's busy, and I have to turn left at this intersection. But I am 3 minutes away, and I'm picking up from a restaurant called Tumbleweeds. I've never picked up from there before, but I did order it once. It's like burritos and tacos. It's some sort of Mexican food. It's pretty good. I hope the food's ready when I get there because it's a 5-minute drive, and usually UberEats is good about that. But I'm glad that I got something right away just because I didn't really have a place to hang out at and wait for an order due to where that drop-off location was. It wasn't super close to any restaurants. So I'm on my way to Tumbleweeds. Oh no. I just got back-to-back orders. What the heck?
Head to your pickup at McDonald's.
I have one for McDonald's and one for Sonic. So this will be fun. Yeah, so I have an UberEats order for McDonald's and a PostMates order for Sonic. I'm nearby close to them. I'm going to head to Sonic first because I'm closer. It does say to order the 4 items, so I'm going to go through the drive-thru and hopefully get these taken care of pretty quickly.
Hi, welcome to Sonic. My name is Brianna. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I have 3 corn dogs?
Okay.
And then Route 44 blue coconut slush.
3 corn dogs.
Yep. And a Route 44 blue coconut slush or ocean.
Anything else?
Yeah, did you get the slush?
Yes, and Route 44 blue coconut.
Yeah. Can you add to that slush? Can you add nerds and strawberry?
Anything else?
That'll be everything.
It's gonna be $9.95 at the window. Thank you.
Thank you. It's 1:30 p.m. and I'm gonna take a quick break from delivering. So far today I've done 4 orders, 2 with PostMates and 2 with UberEats. With PostMates, I had a Sonic order for $6.91 and a 7-Eleven order for $3.56. So I'm gonna call that $11 rounding up. And then if you can see here, Chipotle order I did yesterday, I did have a $5 tip included today. If you don't know, PostMates, at the earliest you get your PostMate tip is the following day. That's just the way their platform works. So that's pretty awesome. That order ended up paying out $13, which put my total earnings for yesterday up to $127. So that's awesome. And then UberEats, I am up to $13.13. The first person did leave me a little tip, and then the second person still has the option. So I'm up to $24 for my lunch shift, and I was out for 2 hours, so we'll call it $12 an hour, and 3 out of the 4 people still have the possibility to tip me, so it could get even better. I'm gonna take a little break, and then I'll be back out for... Right, I'm back for dinner shift. I just accepted a GrubHub order for 15 bucks. I am on my way there. It's to Ban Kunya Thai restaurant. Thai food has definitely been pretty popular lately. I don't know, I've had it a few times, but I don't know. Maybe some of the other restaurants are better. I've only had this one, the Ban Kunya. So I don't know, maybe they have better stuff at like that green dragon or whatever it is. I don't know, like green papaya. That's it, green papaya Thai food. But anyways, like I said, it's 4:40 p.m. I'm headed out to start dinner rush. It is sprinkling outside. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. Hopefully the weather stays all right. But if not, I mean, it is a little rain. It's not that big of a deal. I just hope it's a busy night. I'm a little worried with the Super Bowl tomorrow that it's going to be a slow night because people are planning to order all their food for parties tomorrow. But hey, we'll see what happens. Maybe 5 minutes after dropping off that Thai restaurant order, I got an order for Taco Bell. And I was very close, which is awesome. I just got here. It's off to a good start. It's always tough getting that first order, but once you get it, it's usually pretty busy. It's weird, there's only one item on this order, but it pays pretty decent, so we must have tipped pretty well. I'm gonna go grab that food real quick. Things are super busy with GrubHub. I just got to KFC. I got a stacked offer, so while I was making the delivery for Taco Bell, I got an offer. That Taco Bell order was kind of weird. Like I said, it was only one item. It just seemed strange to me, but it's all good. Taken care of. KFC is right behind me. It has a lot more food, so I'm going to run and grab that. It looks pretty busy in there, so I don't know if it's going to be ready, but I hope so. Okay, so I did an order for Wild Taco 2, and now I'm at Sushi House for my next drop-off with GrubHub. It's only 6:40. It's been pretty busy. The issue is I've had a lot of far orders. Lots of driving. So I'm going to turn this off after this order and turn on PostMates and UberEats. Hopefully I could get some shorter orders and bang out a lot in a shorter amount of time. It's 7:30 and I finally got an Uber order. It's right across the street. I hope things will get busy for me. It's been like literally I haven't had an order in a half hour, so that's kind of weird. But I don't know, it's a Saturday night and it might have slowed down, or I don't know. We'll see what happens. It could be because of the Super Bowl tomorrow. I hope not, but I guess there's only one way to find out. Alright, that McDonald's order was super easy like I hoped for, and about a minute after I dropped it off, I got an order for Applebee's. So I'm at Applebee's. And I hope things are now going to stay busy with Uber Eats. It was just an issue getting my first order, but we'll see. I hope this is a close drop-off. But I don't know. I know the last one was only like a 1.5-mile drive, so that was nice. It took me like 10 minutes to do because the food wasn't ready at McDonald's when I got there. I'm going to go grab this food and try and stay busy tonight. Things seem to be pretty steady with Uber Eats. I just got another order for Dairy Queen, actually. And I'm only 2 minutes away, so that's awesome. I'm gonna go grab that food and drop it off. I'm excited because I know they, at least my Dairy Queen, and well, there's a couple in the cities where I live and deliver. They do like a punch card, and once you get a certain number of punches, you get a free Blizzard. So that's pretty cool. And they also give you a free drink. So I'm gonna head over there and grab the order, get a soda, and we'll see how much longer I'm out. Uber Eats is staying pretty busy, which is good. I just got another Applebee's order right up the road. They've all been super close orders, which is nice. It allows me to do more orders with less gas, so that's a good thing. Like I said, with GrubHub earlier tonight, I was getting orders and getting good pay, but I was hurting in my mileage, so I had to make a change. It is what it is sometimes. When I was at Applebee's, I walked in at the same time as this like 75-year-old man, this really nice guy that was also doing Uber Eats. So we talked for a few minutes. And he was just really nice. He told me how he's like, yeah, I've tried signing up for the other apps, but DoorDash, I can never get a schedule. And he was on like a wait list for GrubHub, so he hasn't used them at all. But it's pretty cool to see someone out that old doing Uber Eats. Just because I'm sure he's retired and needs some extra money, and that's an easy way for him to make some money. When he's feeling good, he's not tired or anything, he goes out and delivers. Anyways, as I was dropping off the order, I got an order for Kebab House. So even though it's 8:52 p.m., it's starting to get pretty late, I'm still getting orders coming in. So I'm going to go grab that food real fast, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to go until it slows down again. We'll see. It's a few minutes after 9:30, and it seems like it slowed down for the night. I'm going to go offline. I'm sure I'll be busy all day tomorrow with the Super Bowl and everything. So I'm going to do a quick earnings update. I made $42.85 so far tonight with Uber Eats. I say so far tonight because there are still 3 potential tips I could get. And then with PostMates earlier today, I believe I made like, I can't remember, was it like $9 maybe? Come on, PostMates. You can do it. There we go. $11. So that's what? 11 and 43 is 54. And then GrubHub, I don't have it open. GrubHub. I ended up making $62.84, which is actually really good for the amount of time I delivered GrubHub today. But like I said, it wasn't. It was a lot of far orders. I have to go get gas, or else I won't be able to complete my shift tomorrow. So I don't know what that total comes out to. $62.84 plus 55. I'm too tired to do math right now, to be honest, but it's like $118 maybe, I think. And then I made $28 earlier today, so like a $90-ish night. Not too bad. I'll see you next time. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.